Hello and welcome back Tricky Track Spoken English. My name is Manav. Today's topic is how to talk a student. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello, Auntie ji. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Abhijit.
Do you study?
Yes, I do.
What class are you in?
I study in the 12th class.
What stream are you in?
I'm in science stream.
What's the name of your school?
The name of my school is Ryan International School.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is biology.
Hanji ji. What does your father do?
My father is an English teacher.
What do you want to be in life?
I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Do you play any games?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
Do you like watching TV?
No.
I don't. Do you like using a mobile phone?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite phone?
My favorite phone is the iPhone.
What do you do for fun?
I use my phone.
Do you learn computer at school?
Yes, it's part of our syllabus.
Does your school have a library?
Yes, it does. It's really great.
Do you enjoy your school?
Yes, of course.
I have to go now. I have an urgent meeting.
Thank you for the great conversation. See you next time.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Now it is your turn. Are you ready to answer these questions for me?
What class are you in? What stream are you in? What class are you in? What stream are you in? What do you want to be in life? What does your father do? What do you want to be in life? What does your father do? What does your mother do?
Yeah.
What do you do for fun? Does your school have a library? Do you enjoy your school?
Welcome! Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.